Welcome back. Step function determines pricing for standard and express workflows based on the workflow type we use to build our state machine. To optimize the cost of our serverless workflows, we can follow either or both of the following recommendations. Nesting express workflows inside standard workflows, or converting the standard workflow into an express workflow. Step function runs workflows that have a finite duration and number of steps. Some workflows may complete execution within a short period of time. Others may require a combination of both long-running and high event rate workflows. With step functions, you can handle or you can build large complex workflows out of multiple smaller, simpler workflows. For example, to build an order processing workflow, you can include all the non-idempotent actions into a standard workflow. This could include actions such as approving order through human interaction and processing payment. You can then combine a series of idempotent actions such as sending payment notifications and updating product inventory in an express workflow. You can nest this express workflow within the standard workflow. In this example, the standard workflow is known as the parent state machine. The nested express workflow is known as a child state machine. You can convert your existing standard workflows into express workflows if they meet the following requirements. The workflow must complete its execution within 5 minutes. The workflow conforms to an at least once execution model. This means that each step in the workflow may run more than exactly once, and the workflow does not use the wait for task token or the sync service integration pattern. Express workflows use Amazon CloudWatch logs to record execution histories. You will incur additional costs when using CloudWatch logs. This screenshot, you can see how to convert a standard workflow into an express workflow. So, in step functions, if you click on step machines and you have, for example, a standard workflow selected, and then if you click on action label number 1 in the screenshot, then you can select the first option that you see in label 2. After that, you can select the type. As you see in label number 1, you select express and click next. But then you can update the workflow design if required, and after that choose next again. On the review generated code page, choose next as well. And on the specify state machine settings page, specify the details for the new express state machine, such as the name, permissions, and login level. And finally, we should create state machine. From state machine page, we now have one standard workflow and the newly converted express workflow. In this lesson, we learned about nested workflows and about converting a standard workflow into an express workflow. We also had some fun converting an example workflow. In the next lesson, we will learn more on states.